Hello. If you want to know how I achieve this flawless look, just keep watching. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Chijioke. I'm going to do my normal routine makeup using different brands. So I have my face prepped, but I want to first of all do my eyeshadow. And today I'm using YSL Gucci Mini Palette 400 RX. I don't know what it is, RJX 400. So anyway, so I'm going to use this for my eyes. So I'm starting with this shade here. I have my eyelid prepared as well. I put a eyeshadow primer and mark is what I put. So now I'm going to start with my eyeshadow. No time wasting. I'm starting with this one as the transition shade, this particular shade. So you can see, oh my god, this color is, yeah, it's a transition shade, and now I'm at the same time putting it all over my eyelid. YSL eyeshadows, they're very good and they blend very well. There's no problem with the blending. Now I think I'm going to use the same shade, the same brush, and take this dark shade, dark color, put it at the outer side of my eyes here. I'm taking it a little towards my crease. So I'm going to use this shade now, this particular one. Put it here and towards my outer side of the eyelid. I'll try with the finger. You know, sometimes if you use finger, it's better. I think that's better now. So I'm going to take this one now and put it at the inner side, this particular one, inner side of my eye. You use it to make like cut crease. Use it to form a cut crease. We use this for the eyebrow bone, this particular shade here. That's the shade that we put here at the outer side of my eye. We use it for the brow bone. Go back to the transition shade. I use this is it MAC? Now I want to put a wing to my eye. I'm just looking for the, I shouldn't be talking because I don't have the strength to talk now. It's not. I'm not so. I don't have the strength to talk. So I have my face prepped. I want to put on Bare Balm Serum. I always like to use it. So, so I have my dark circle cancelled a little bit. I use this color corrector from Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm going to apply my foundation, and the foundation I'm using again is a Estee Lauder. This is in the shade 7 and 1. I have my foundation applied. I'm going to use the same Estee Lauder concealer. But this concealer is very dark, but I don't mind. It's very dark in color. I made a mistake, but I'm using it, and it's not that bad. So this is in the shade 7M. You can see it's very dark, but I'm still using it. It's not that bad. So I'm using it. Now I'm going to put a little bit of this. This MAC Radiance is I got it by mistake, but I'm still using it. I'll put it here, just a dot like this. Just to brighten my eyes a little. This cream bronzer from Charlotte. I better do this before it dries so fast. Sometimes it dries so quick. Now I have a Dakura Drip from Fenty. Dakura Drip. It's a check out blush from Fenty. So far, that is it. Now I'm going to put on powder. And the powder I'm using today is Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. This is Banana. Shade Banana. Now you can put on bronzer, powder bronzer. I still have a Charlotte Tilbury powder bronzer. This is shade Deep. It's almost finished. Never to mind, I've already ordered the backup. So I think the just want to brighten this area a little bit. Yes. I'll use all over powder for my face. Actually, this is supposed to be toffee, but I mixed it banana because it's very dark, very dark for my skin color. So I mix it a little bit of banana. Still it's dark, but I use it, it's manageable. So I try to form my own color. It's sometimes if I put it, you notice it's dark, still dark, but it is not too bad. As you can see. We can put on our my setting spray. Just looking at the one to I use this one size. The next thing I will do is apply my I had to get this different color. This one is darker color and this is in the shade Sunset, and this one is Sunrise. That's the one I've been using. Actually I love this, that's why I love it so much. That's why I had to go and order the second one. So but before then I did not put bronzer on my nose. You know, sometimes you do something, you know, always, I don't know, sometimes you tend to be like you're not yourself. That's the way it is to me today. But I don't know. I'm just doing this because I must have to do it, but I'm not feeling myself here. Whatever it is, I don't know. This is Sunset. I use Charlotte Tilbury brush. But remember, I've not done my under eye, but I'll do it after this, okay? I'll try this color and see how it is. Me. I used the other one, it's good and it's bright enough, but I want to try this. I hope it's not darkening that area. Let me keep this, use the one I was using before, because I like the way that one brightens my under eye. It makes me happy. Can you see? You see it? See how it brightens my under eye? I really love this so much. I use it to highlight some places. Let me finish up my under eye. So now I use this brush, then put this that color here from this eyeshadow palette. Ooh, so now we have to move over to the lip. I'll put back this. So we're moving over to the lip. So I'm going to line my lip with Fenty Beauty. I think I have it here today. Yeah, I have it. This is Fenty Beauty Pressed Out. And this is in the shade Cold Blooded. Yes. So I'm going to use it to dress out my lip. So this is it now. What lipstick did I bring out? I'm sure I brought out a lipstick. Yeah, I did. I did, because most times I'll find myself, forgetting one thing or the other. So, but I brought lipstick out. This one is Chanel Rouge Cocoa Flush. What do they mean by 60 bit? I don't know what they mean by 60 bit. Is it the number? Anyway, I have Chanel here. That's it. It's very moisturizing. You don't need lip liner. You don't need anything like lip gloss, because it's so moisturizing. So moisturizing. It is. Like I told you, no lip gloss or lip oil needed. You don't need it. This is very nice. I love it. You can see. That's Chanel. That's Chanel for you. That's Chanel for you. Say it's a Rouge Cocoa Flash 60 bit. That's what I put on now. As you can see, it's very good. So one more thing, I always say it. This is finishing powder from MAC. This is what's the name? A skin finish, mineralized skin finish from MAC. I love this. I always use it as the final thing for my face, and I like the way it turns out each time I use it. So that's why. But wait, there is something I'm forgetting. What is wrong with me? I put cream blush. Where is a powder blush? I did not put, and I'm just closing up. I'm just locking the whole thing up without putting my powder blush. Anyway, thank God I remember. This is a Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate blush. This is in the shade Sun Drunk, and that is it. Shade and Illuminate Tom Ford. So I'm going to use it now. I am so lazy to wash my brushes. This is why I'm looking for old oh God. So anyway, let me use this Refra 19 for this. I hope it will be good. Do it well. So I'm going to get the both colors. You can see it's picking it well. So this is of course this is Tom Ford. This blush stays forever on your face. I'm telling you, it stays forever. So I'm going to put on a little bit of this again, because I cannot leave it like this. I want to set it up. So, as you can see, so I guess this is the finished look. I use different brands. In the first place, I use Estee Lauder with concealer. Then I brightened up with a different concealer from MAC Studio Radiance Concealer. Yes, done. Then on my eyes, I have YSL. This mini palette. I have my bronzers. That's from Charlotte Tilbury. I have my blush. My cream blush is from Fenty, the Cheek Art, the Curry Drip. And I have my powdered blush from Tom Ford, Shade and Illuminate. So my lip, you can see my lip, my liner. My lip liner is Cold Blooded from Fenty Beauty. And my lipstick is Chanel Rouge Coco Flush. Yeah, that's from Chanel. So what else? I have my powder Profita powder from Fenty Beauty in the shade, the brightening shade Banana, and my mixture here, concoction, which comprises of coffee and the banana, just for all over my face. And I also put a Morphe Cloud Light under my eye to brighten it up and on all other places. So also, I did not forget, as my color corrector, I use Charlotte. I told you, this is the outcome of everything. I so much love it. Everything. So that's the whole lot. How did it turn out? Please, if this is your first time seeing me, please subscribe to my channel. Just don't forget to give me a thumb up, as it boosts my channel. So this is the whole lot. This is my face. I guess it turned out well because I can see it here. Very good. It's flawless. It's flawless, no doubt, flawless. So thank you for watching. Until I see you again, have a lovely day. Bye.